Hello, in front of me I have GIGASET GX290 and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. Let's start by opening the quick panel. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, like that. And here let's tap on this edit icon and find screen recorder icon. Now we need to move it to the list above, and to do it just press and hold on it and drag it to the top, like that. Now let's go back and we have a screen recorder icon in our quick panel now. We can tap on it. This menu will appear. Here we can turn on and off the microphone, for example, the touch highlight. We can exit from this menu by tapping this X button, or we can start recording by tapping play. So let's tap play. The recording started. You can see it right here in the notification. Let's move a little on our screen. And then to stop the recording, you need to tap on this blue bar right here. And here tap on the stop button. You will get the notification that the recording was saved. You can tap on it to view your recording. And that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.